What is that? Get that pillow. Whatever weird cushion that's. Hi.
It's my,
It don't fit my butt.
Okay, waiting for Daddy. People have been saying, where is Maxwell? Maxwell, stop. Where's Maxwell?
I don't know.
Yeah, you don't look like Maxwell. Why don't you look like Maxwell?
I don't know.
Oh, something's on your face. So you decided to grow a beard. Okay. Daddy's computer's taking forever. So what do you have to say? Dad's going to do his sewing room thing. People missed you, so they wanted to say hello. They wanted you to say hello.
Hi, people.
And do you notice anything different?
Obviously they would.
Would they notice?
You might have to put a before picture.
People, well, you always had a mustache.
Yeah.
So how many weeks growth is that beard? Oh, today is 3 weeks. Yeah, today is 3 weeks. That's it. Seriously, it has to stay groomed. That's good. You have a nice line on your neck.
I actually just finished that. I actually just did that today. Just shaved that line.
Yeah, it needs to be well groomed.
Yeah, I know.
And you have beard oil and beard wash and beard butter and.
So.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to say hello.
Hello. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Have a good one.
How does this thing go on?
No, that's my butt pillow. Put it back on my thing. Daddy likes it. No, it lifts me up. It lifts me up.
A short mother.
I am a short mother. Put it on my chair.
How did this thing go?
You bought it for me. You got that for me. What are you talking about?
I did?
Yeah, you said, oh, you need this, Mom, for your back or something.
You only thought of this because I had to get a support pillow for my chair upstairs.
That's right, exactly. Yeah. So thank you very much.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Well, here we are again looking at Jean Truelove, Quilts for You, the sewing rooms, which I'm interested in. I want to see Yogi's pictures. There's 3 of them, I believe. What we need to do though is speak up, as my director has just told me to do. Is my voice really that soft, this Englishman's voice? Anyway, YouTube sewing room from Yogi Villegas. I think that's the way it's pronounced. Villegas.
I see Villegas.
Okay. Well,
you say it.
I'm putting some Latin into it. I believe it's Villegas. But that's just the Italian in me.
You're not Italian. You want to be Italian. You are want to be Italian.
We used to go to Italy every year in the 1970s.
Yes.
We did.
Yeah, I know.
And I took you on honeymoon, my honey.
Yeah, moon.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, what does Yogi say in her email? Dear Ian and Jean, my husband passed away on August the 31st, 2021, and that's really sad. As no family members or friends came to visit me and my autism son, who's now 42 years old, I decided to remove the sofa and all other things in the way, giving us more space to sew. My son and I decided to put in place a 10-foot quilting frame and a Grace Pro 15 quilting machine. Wow, Yogi, that's bold, quite amazing. And Yogi says, Ian, thank you for asking this question about my sewing room, because quilting has helped me and my son get out of depression. Yogi Villegas.
Oh,
Yeah, you really struck a heartstring with Jean and I.
yeah. And Maxwell.
And Maxwell. Yogi, what's your son's name? Our Maxwell, as you know, is autistic. We're going to email you. So we want to find out a few other things and perhaps share some encouragement. You cheer us up and we'll cheer you up too.
Okay, the pictures of her quilts.
Very lovely, very beautiful.
The one is of, I'll put it up, is of the cathedral windows.
I was astounded.
Yeah.
You are a clever girl, Yogi.
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Very, very nice before it was put together. And then on her quilting frame, I'll put the picture up, is a double wedding ring in the red, white, and blue on her actual quilting frame. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Clever, clever quilting.
I can't wait to see your photographs up on the YouTube screen.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, when I go to
They
edit
look
it.
much, much better
Yeah.
in
When I
the
go
video.
when I go to edit it, it'll look really
Or as
nice.
us English say, we call them making movies.
Movies.
We call them movies. But that's something else in this country. Jean and I would have to be moving around.
No, it's these are videos.
Videos, okay.
Videos, yeah.
All right.
All right.
Silly old Englishman.
Anyway, next up is, let me just see. Next up, you'll be doing Laura.
Laura.
So we do have about half a dozen more. So if anybody wants to send in pictures to,
Jean Truelove,
Nope.
Quilts for you.
no.
Oh.
Yeah.
My,
No,
No?
no, not your
What?
email. True Love Quilts for you at Gmail.
Truelove Quilts for you at Gmail.
Yeah.
What do I know?
No, you know a lot.
Yes, okay.
Yeah.
You didn't prime me, Mrs. Director.
I didn't prime you. Yeah.
What is it again? What's that email address? to send?
truelovequiltsforyou at gmail.com, and I'll put that down on the as
the
you're
screen?
on the screen. Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Don't put it in front of my face though.
No, I won't.
Okay. We love you all. Keep in touch. Keep sending in your comments. We really enjoy it. What's next, Mrs. Director? Is that it?
That's it.
Okay.
Say bye, Ian.
Bye-bye, Ian. Oh no, I'm Ian.
Here, Ian.
Bye-bye, Jean. Bye-bye,
Bye.
everybody.
Bye-bye.